Hi, it's a little bit bracing out here with the wind, but anyway, I thought I'd show you this jumper because the reason I'm showing this jumper because this jumper is perfect for a day like this. It's really, really gorgeous. I can't tell you how much I love this jumper. It's from, it's 100% cotton. It's quite a chunky knit, so it would be fine on a day like this. And it's actually from Holebrook, Sweden, which is a new brand for us. I'm loving it. I absolutely love it. I discovered this brand actually down in Cornwall, and I bought one of their jumpers, which I still have, and it still washes up like a dream. It doesn't stretch, because I know 100% cotton can stretch, but this certainly doesn't stretch. It's a fantastic jumper. Anyway, I think I might have to go because it's blowing so much. Let me just show you the back. I'm wearing it with my super Brax jeans and my great little pumps, my trainers from